Hey, this is Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Here, listen. Wanted to do a quick verses for you. I know you guys are liking the verses, so I'm trying to give you different variations of different ranges of some of the tools that I'm using. If this is your first time to this channel, please go ahead and like and subscribe. I'm always doing these different breakdowns, these different hacks. I'm not your every average day affiliate marketer. I actually use the tools in my own services and deploy for my clients or my own portfolio. So I'm always going to kind of be real. I'm not going to just tell you guys just to buy stuff just because. So that's the difference with this channel. So with all that out of the way, let me kind of share with you what I have in front of you. I have in front of you a tool by the name of, it's called Crigloo. And this is the Crig bot. This is the setup portion. So this is going to be, and I want my videos to be a lot shorter because all the complaints, and that's the reason why I created a SaaS use case TV. I created that because some people like to go deeper. So I'll do some expanded different test, and I'll speak with some of the founders and show how other people are making money with their tools. So I'll do that over there. There's always going to be a link in the description for that as well. But I'm gonna keep this real light, and I'm gonna do these 5-minute, I'm gonna make them about 5-minute segments in 5 to 6 minute segments on these two tools. The two tools I have is, again, it's Crigloo, and then I also have a tool called Scalify, and I'm just gonna do some basic variations between those two. One of the first things I wanted to show you is when you look at Crigloo, some of the setup here, and what you have is you have the option here. This is a campaign. So the campaign we want to start, these are the different types of campaigns we can do. We can do our awareness, consideration, or conversion. When you're really considering and looking at different ads, you really need to figure out what phase or what part of the funnel that people may be in. And that's very well thought out when I look at this particular piece. Now, let me show you how Scalify is put together. And then we'll take a look at that as well, and then I'll close it out. So what you have here on the Scalify side is when you get ready to launch, when you go to launch, you have targeting, retention, product catalog, Google Shopping, scaling, and retargeting. So these are core messages. They don't take you down a path, which is one of the things when I started using Scalify, I was like, wait a minute, what if I don't want to do that? That was one of the things that I had a challenge with. Sometimes when you're not a known brand or not known commodity, awareness is really all you need, right? And you want people to become familiar with your brand, right? And so I want to have options. I can boost a post. You can boost a post and just get awareness, or page engagement, right? But to have awareness and reach, you want to start. So these are your levels, and it depends on where they are at the top of the funnel, in the middle of the funnel, or at the bottom of the funnel. All right. And so this gives you that option. I will give one check mark in this particular area for Crigloo because it doesn't allow me to jump in with 2 feet, right? And again, what Scalify does is, hey, we're jumping in, we're ready to go. We're going to target new leads and we're going to start trying to go after them. We're going to test them. So I'm already spending money to do research versus if I had an opportunity to do awareness and reach, just kind of see what kind of who's interacting with my brand. That's important instead of just jumping in and looking at retargeting. Retargeting is an advanced strategy. Scaling, lookalike audiences, and retention. These tools, so to me, I think out of the two tools, what I would start with a tool like Crigloo to give me this. So even if I wanted to use them in combination, because I actually own both, I know at least for one particular area, I would start with the awareness first. I would start with my awareness and then consideration. But I don't even know if we don't even have conversion over here on Scalify. No, we don't have conversion. So we just have targeting, retargeting, retention, scaling, product catalog, and Google Shopping. They do have catalog here. I'd have to get more into that. I'm not familiar with what they have there available. But I know we don't have catalog sales available just yet. All right. And so we'll come back to that again. Wanted to keep this video under 5 minutes. I am going to do a part 2 and then a part 3 with my final recommendation. This has been Jenny Jones, Digital Growth Hacks Club. Until next time, take care. Goodbye for now.